Hello, Matthew Rep here with HVAC Marketing Success. If you're an HVAC owner and you have neighborhoods in your city that you would like to get more calls from, or suburbs around your city that you would like to get more calls from, you're going to love this video. Okay, I'm in Wichita, so I just threw this map together to give you an example. Like this represents Tallgrass, which is a neighborhood on the east side of town, and Reflection Ridge, which is a neighborhood on the west side of town. Okay, both these neighborhoods are on a golf course, bigger houses, older houses, definitely neighborhoods where you have, a lot of houses with money. Great. Every one of these HVAC companies would love to get more calls from Tallgrass or Reflection Ridge. A perfect recipe to make that happen is, and what we started doing for our clients is, we'll start basically take a list of every job they've done in the past in that neighborhood and turn that into a blog post. Like just give you an example, and I can send you a link to some of these so you can see what that looks like. And really, as much as possible, like kind of the point of this is, like if you imagine this neighborhood right here, you have 15 HVAC companies, none of which have any content on their website that talks specifically about Tallgrass, and then you have one HVAC company that literally has 35 blog posts on their site that talk about specific jobs they did in the fall, in the winter, in the spring. This was the kind of issue they had. This was the kind of work that they did to solve the problem. What kind of equipment was installed there from the customer's been. They've been a customer with us for 25 years, or they're one of our maintenance agreement customers. And so anyway, however we do it, we just want to give it some personality. The more we do that, the more we create that kind of content and give it some personality, give it some depth. We literally can't do that 30, 40, 50 times and not have Google see when it comes to this area, you're the expert. Your company clearly, think about it this way. When you look on your phone for a Mexican restaurant, they come up in order of how far away they are from where you're located at the time. It's the same kind of thing. We want, when someone searches in this neighborhood for anything related to heating and air, Google can see that. They can see that, okay, this one HVAC company in Wichita has 50 pieces of content where not cookie cutter or garbage, but real issues on this street at this intersection had this kind of issue at this time of year, and this HVAC company came out and fixed it, and this was the end result. We do that over and over and over and over in these neighborhoods, and that's a perfect recipe for owning these neighborhoods. If you'd like to learn more about this idea, we'd be happy to show you the details, show you some examples of what this kind of content looks like, and make a bunch of it for you. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks. Have a great day.